World Braille Day, observed annually on the 4th of January, commemorates the birth anniversary of Louis Braille, the creator of the Braille writing system for individuals with visual impairments. The 2024 theme, Empowering Through Inclusion and Diversity, highlights a commitment to a world where the visually impaired are not just acknowledged but fully integrated into all aspects of society. In Shillong, a program at the National Institute of Technology, Meghalaya, included participation from visually impaired individuals, featuring various activities to mark the day. The event, attended by NIT Meghalaya Director Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta, Blind Lead Trust Chairman Jitendra Dakhar, Trust members, visually impaired students and the public, showcased a presentation on Braille's history and a Braille writing competition, fostering inclusion and celebrating special abilities.
Now my respect has gone and up, it has gone more higher up. We hold NIT in a very, esteemed view or perspective, and now to come here and to realize that you're also doing this, my congratulations, and I really appreciate what you've done. And I was in printing and stationery 2 years ago as the joint secretary, and while visiting the office in the directorate, I had met about 2-3 of the people working there, and I was very amazed to be in this place where they were working on Braille. And it is very amazing again that a lot of us had not been sensitized or aware that even in our place, in our capital city, we do have this platform or medium where we can do intervention through the government with the support of the ministry on reaching out, especially to our friends and our family members who are visually impaired. And so I sat for a while that day, about 2 years ago, in the Directorate of Printing and Stationery, being very amazed that there were books that were printed that our visually impaired friends and fellow men could also have access to. And for that, we do, it is something noble that Braille Day is celebrated, because everything depends on a person, everything depends on an individual who has a passion and a purpose to do what they need to do.